The golf physics.
The typical driver hits 200 to 240 yards.
Let me drop a beat.
This is a 3-word. It goes from 190 to 220 yards.
This is a 5-wood. It hits 170 to approximately 190 yards.
This is a 3-iron. It hits 170 yards to approximately 190 yards.
This is the 4-iron. It goes from 160 to 180 yards.
This is the 5-iron. It hits 150 yards to 170 yards. This is a 6-iron. It hits 140 yards to 160 yards.
This is a 7-iron. It goes from 130 to 150 yards.
Yeah, man!
This is the 8-iron. It goes 120 to 140 yards approximately.
Give me my inhaler, please.
The 9-iron. It goes 110 to 130 yards approximately. A ball moving through air experiences two major aerodynamic forces, lift and drag. Dipple balls fly farther than non-dipple balls due to a combination of two effects: boundary layer and backspin.
Hey guys!
A falling golf ball accelerates at 9.8 meters to a maximum speed of 72 miles per hour.
When the club face collides with the ball, its total contact time is approximately 0.0005 seconds, and the peak force applied to the ball can be as high as 4,000 pounds.
The high force actually compresses the ball as seen in the picture above.
At the back of his swing, Woods utilizes his flexibility to reach far back, extending his range of motion while keeping his rotating torso directly over his right leg.
As he begins to swing, Woods builds up club head velocities by turning his torso quickly and pressing his right leg forward. Throughout his swing, Woods wastes little energy by maintaining his position above the ball.
I'm gonna need my inhaler for this one. Woods drives through the ball using his hip. Oh, there I go. Give me my inhaler. I'm good, okay. Woods drives through the ball using his hips, shoulders, and wrists to concentrate his force and create a very high initial ball speed. Within 2 feet off the tee, the ball is traveling at around 180 miles per hour.
Yeah.
That's 20 miles per hour faster than the average tour pro. Thanks.
Woods allows the club head's motion to extend his follow through far around his back, completing a long and smooth club head rotation. The Tiger Hoods. The physics of baseball.
Baseball. Oh, baseball.
Baseball.
Do you ever wonder why a curveball curves? Or why the contact and the bat breaks?
Yo, man, the nigga just farted on you.
I am going to tell you right now. The pitcher's arm acts like a lever, giving him mechanically advantage, allowing him to increase his force. Some pitchers can pitch a ball consistently at 99 miles per hour.
What is that?
Catcher's gloves.
What's that catcher's glove?
Catcher's
Oh, you just said it. What?
In catching the ball out in the field, you're anticipating where that ball will land. You have to position yourself so that you can catch it.
Since the ball travels in a parabola, due to gravity, you need to position yourself half the distance of the maximum height. When doing this, a baseball player is calculating the angle of where the ball will land.
This is a catcher. The catcher sits behind the home plate.
That's the one that catches
The
the ball.
catcher consistently catches 100 miles per hour balls instantly.
That's the guy with the bat, right?
No, the guy behind the plate.
Curveball. It curves.
Why does a ball curve? High pressure over the top, direction of the airflow over the ball,
The top
and the path of the ball,
or the bottom?
which makes the ball spin as seen in the picture.
How about the sides?
This is a picture between a ball with no spin and a ball with spin. As you see, the ball with no spin, it goes directly towards the home plate.
Between two balls?
As with the spin, the curve of the ball have a deflected wake and a magnet's force which allows it to curve.
This is the the way the curveball is thrown.
Yeah, dude.
The pitcher throws the ball at 90 miles per hour. It takes the ball approximately 0.4 seconds to reach the batter. The batter needs about 0.2 seconds to think and decide about that pitch. He needs to decide whether or not he is going to try and hit that ball. The batter also needs about 0.15 seconds to swing at that ball. And if the ball is a curveball, that break in that curveball happens in the last 0.10 seconds of that pitch. This is where the curveball would drop right under the bat as the batter swings.
Cuando la bola le pega al bate se dobla.
When the ball hits the bat recoils. If the bat recoils, the energy is lost into making the ball go further. Then it would have. Having a heavier bat causes less recoil.
Pero dame un taco, hombre.
When the ball makes contact with the bat are in the range of 6,000 to 10,000 pounds of force, and it happens at a time and span of 1 and 1,000 of a second.
Walter, let me see your bat.
I had to let it rip, I'm sorry.
This is the basic physics of baseball.
Ew, man.
3. Yo, Mr. Guedes, this is your math project.
Period 3.
Walter, Alex, Prada.
Yo,
Period 3. Holla at you, Iceman.
Check it.
Valerie.
My girl
Mic
Valerie.
David.
Mic check. Mic check.
Payaso, I see you.
Yeah.
Still hurts.
Yeah.
It still hurts.
Yeah. Yo. So add, subtract, and divide by 4. Don't take too long finding the quotient, cause I'm creeping out your floor. Define my name. It's so simple to explain. I make you find X and go physically insane. Whether greater than or equal to the integers the same. Multiply it by a power, make it harder to attain. I put the number on a ball and call it a fraction. But just don't stress out, cause it's only a distraction.
X plus Y equals 4. Yeah. Alex, catch the ball. Shortstop.
Halo 3, baby.
Forever I love Atlanta. Hit me with another verse, Prada.
Yo.
Yo. Mr. Guedes, stop with the foolishness.
You're leaving. You're leaving.
You are leaving. You are leaving. You are leaving.
I love you, payaso.
Dale que tú sabes. On the screen,
Yo.
in front of you, I see you.
I see you,
Boy,
Guedes.
payaso, dog.
My boy Guedes.
All the girls in the front,
All the nerds on the side.
Verse number 2.
check it.
Yeah.
Prada, hit it.
Cause I ain't dead, I'm staying here for life. So divide it with a bar or divide it with a knife. For the fact simply is that math is just a test. But once you figure out your answers, you'll be happy with the rest. Excluding factors with multiple reactions. Still do these problems right and watch out for disasters. Cause the proof is mad small, so double check your answers. Cause math is a disease, a mathematical cancer. Finding a function on a graph is only a task. But once you guess and check, you will be figuring out your path. Yo.
Verse 2, hit it.
Plus signs, equal signs, even your parentheses. They may confuse a bit, but they can help you find the prophecy. So don't be frightened, take your fingers out your hair. Cause math is not confusing, it's an obstacle that scares.
Yeah.
We out.
Yeah.
We out.
Superfly.
Yeah.
Mr. Guedes.
DJ Prodigy.
Superfly.
Weather.
DJ Watts.
Rated. Door.
DJ
Even
Watts.
2. The inches is to the same.
This one's for you, Guedes. This one's for you.
Some A's. A-Towns. Lakers.
East side.
East side boy.